Welcome. If you've ever noticed your Instagram posts or reels being reposted without your control, there's a new update on Instagram Web that lets you stop that, and it's super easy to set up right from your PC. Let's walk through it step by step so you can lock down your content in just a minute. First, open Instagram in your web browser on your computer and log into your account like you normally would. Once you're on your home feed, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 lines. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up. From there, select Settings. This will take you into your account's main control panel, where you can manage everything related to privacy, security, and content sharing. Now, inside Settings, look for the option called Sharing and Reuse. Click on it. This section is where Instagram gives you control over how your content is shared by others across the platform. Once you're in, you'll see options related to reposting. What you want to do here is find the setting that allows others to repost your posts and reels. By default, this might be turned on, especially after recent updates. Simply toggle off the option for reposts on both posts and reels.